Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Tech Studio 80. So today we are going to talk about top trending courses of 2024. Whether you are a newbie looking to dip your toes into the vast sea of online strategies or a seasoned freelancer on the hunt for the latest trends, you are in the right place. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey. So we bring you the best 5 free courses to help you rock the online world in 2024. Let's jump into a world of learning and skills that will set up for success. So let's get started from course 1. So digital marketing basics. Get started with the basics of digital marketing from SEO to social media. Learn the ABCs of online success and set a strong foundation for your journey. Course 2 is the social media magic. Explore the secrets of social media in this beginner-friendly course. Find out how to use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more to make your brand shine online, all without spending a dime. Let's jump into course number 3, SEO Simplified. Crack the code of search engine optimization and boost your online visibility. Learn about keywords on on-page SEO and link building to climb the search engine ladder. Okay. Now, course number 4 is content that clicks. Discover the power of killer content from blogs to videos. Learn to create stuff that people love. This course your guide to making content that gets attention and builds your brand. Course number 5, number and smart choices. Numbers matters online. Learn how to read data, understand metrics, and make smart decisions. Find out which tools can help you track your success in the digital world. In the last, as you start your journey through these 5 courses, remember, knowledge is your key to conquering digital marketing. Get the skills you need to succeed in 2004 and beyond. Enroll in these courses now and kickstart your awesome career in the exciting world of digital marketing.